Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is John Agbo, and in this video I am going to show you how you can record your screen using your smartphone. Remember the slides that we designed in the last video when we were working on Canva, the slides we designed on Canva. In this video I am going to show you how you can record your screen and deliver your content using your slides. So the app we are going to use for creating this video is called Xrecorder. So this is Xrecorder, and you can install it from Play Store. Once you go to Play Store, you can search for Xrecorder. Okay, this is it. You can search for Xrecorder. Xrecorder. So you can go ahead and install it. You are seeing open here because I already have it installed on my phone. Once you install it, you can go ahead and open it and then you start using it. There is a free version and then there is a pro version. I am actually using the free version and I think it's enough for you for anything that you want to do, except you just want to purchase the free version, then it's totally up to you. But for me, the free version is giving me exactly what I want. So I want to show you a few things you need to understand when using this app. So I'll just take you through the interface and show you these few things before I show you how you can use it to record your PowerPoint slides. So let me go ahead and open the app right away. Now when you open the app, you may not see, your interface may not be like this. You have seen my interface, you have seen these videos here because there are videos I've already recorded using this app. Okay, so what I will do now is that I'll click on settings here. Settings is just below here. So I'll tap on settings, and then when we come here, the resolution, this is where you set your video resolution. This one has to do with the quality, where you set your quality. I can't actually click on these things now because I am already recording, and when you are recording you are limited to some things. You can't actually work on some settings anymore. You can only have access to those features when you are not recording or before you start recording. So for instance, if you click on resolution right now, it will tell you you can only modify it when you are not recording. Okay, if I click on quality, it will tell me the same thing. The reason is because I'm actually using this app to record this video that you are watching right now. Okay, so my resolution is set to 720, while my quality is set to 14 megapixel. All right, so for FPS, I don't really bother my head about that, so I just leave it the way it is. I leave it at auto. Then for orientation, this place is very important, so I want you to pay close attention here. When you start, before you start recording your PowerPoint slides, make sure you set this orientation to landscape. Don't leave it at auto, don't leave it at portrait. This video you're watching right now is on portrait, okay? But when you want to record your slides, make sure you set the orientation to landscape, and then make sure your phone too is on landscape. When we get to the slides, I will tell you the reason why I said this. So just follow through. For the record audio, I turned it on. Of course, you need to record your audio. Save location, you don't have any business with that place. Repair system UI crash, I don't bother my head about that one. Avoid abnormal stop, I don't have any business with that one, so I leave it the way it is. Then for the recording mode, I've set it to normal mode, and then countdown before start, I've set it to 5 seconds. So that countdown before start, what it simply means is that before you start recording, how many seconds do you want the timer to read or to run before you start recording. So I've set mine to 5 seconds. So once I click on record, it's going to count. The countdown will run for 5 seconds before my recording can start, or before I can start talking. So if you like, you can set yours to 5 seconds or to 10 seconds. It depends on you. Then pop-up window after taking screenshots. I don't take screenshot during recording, so I didn't turn that on. Okay, I didn't turn this on. Hide record window during recording. I didn't turn it on. Shake phone to stop recording. I didn't turn this on. Those things are not important to me. Keep recording when screen is off. But yes, I want to keep recording when my screen is off. So for screenshots, maybe when you are recording your video, there are particular places you want to take some screenshots. Maybe you want to use those screenshots somewhere else. You can turn that on. But I'm not taking screenshots, so I didn't bother to turn that on. Now for the camera, what the camera means here is that you can actually record your face. Okay, like this video you're watching right now, if I turned on the camera, you would have been seeing my face. So if you turn on the camera, you'll be able to see your face on a smaller segment of this video. So you can be talking, you can be showing your screen, and your students can actually be seeing your face. All right, so if you are cool with that option, you can turn it on. Then for the brush, if you notice, while I've been teaching all through, I've been able to circle some areas, I've been able to draw some arrows. It is as a result of turning on this brush. Okay, so see what I've done here. The brush is what is going to help you to achieve that, so you can turn it on. And for show touch, I don't normally use it, but I think it has to do with when you move around on your device. If you touch some particular places, just like your cursor, all right? But I don't use that, so I didn't bother working on anything there. So those are the basic things that you need to know inside this app here. I'll just go over to our slide now and then show you how you can actually use it. So remember, I told you when you finish designing the slide, it's going to create a folder by itself automatically inside your file manager. So let's go to file manager. So this is my Canva folder here. All the designs I do on Canva will be saved inside this folder. All right, and this is the one that we did. So while I was talking to you about the orientation and setting your video to landscape and not portrait, is this. You can see that at the top of this slide is dark, below it is dark, and you don't want your slide to look like this when you are recording. Okay, so you want it to be on landscape mode. So this phone is on landscape mode right now, but let's try and see if we can put this slide on a landscape mode. Good. You can see how it's looking now. It has filled up the screen and it's looking more better. So this way you can actually deliver your online course, right? So before you start recording, make sure that you have turned on Xrecorder. So once you come here and you click on it, where you are seeing the pause button, you are going to see the record button. So you can click on it and start recording. If you want to pause your recording, you can pause it. If you want to come back and continue your recording, you can come back and continue your recording. Okay, once you are done recording, you just click on the stop button and your recording will stop, and it will save inside your phone and inside the app automatically. All right, so if you want to go over to the next slide, you just move to the next slide. It's as simple as that, and then you keep talking and talking. Once you are done, you click on stop. You have a video course ready to hit the market. So I want to believe you enjoyed watching this video just as I enjoyed creating it for you.